Recently, I've been talking about a couple of the Navy Federal credit cards. Now, Navy Federal has 6 credit cards, and today we're going to be talking about the Navy Federal nRewards credit card. So let's get into it. Hey everybody, I'm Tasha from the Major Change Group, where we believe small changes can create big results. And if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. We talk about credit, budgeting, and student loans. We have been talking about a couple of the Navy Federal credit cards. Now, out of the 6 Navy Federal credit cards, I have 2. I have the Navy Federal Flagship, and I have the Navy Federal nRewards. And the Navy Federal Flagship, that was the first credit card that I got when I became a member of Navy Federal. Y'all, it was so funny. So I had joined in like October of 2019. And at first I was like, I'm not going to be getting no credit cards as soon as I joined. Y'all, it probably wasn't even a month after that. I ended up applying for the Navy Federal Flagship credit card. I had not been depositing any money in my account or in any of the accounts. So I tell you, like when you join Navy Federal, you really have to have a plan, especially if you're trying to build credit or repair your credit. And that's what the Navy Federal nRewards credit card is all about. Out of all of the Navy Federal credit cards, this credit card has the highest interest rate at 18%. Now, I think that that's kind of strange since this is a secured credit card and you have to put money on the card. Now, with this being a secured credit card, you have to start out with at least $200 or more on this credit card. So you want to make sure however much you put on this card that it's not any money that you need, because you're going to be using this like a credit card. And then every time you swipe that card, you have to pay it back. And when we're thinking about building or rebuilding our credit, you really have to know what your credit score and your credit profile. Now, your credit score is made up of 5 components. So you have your payment history, which is 35%, your credit utilization, which is 30%, your length of credit, which is 15%, your credit mix, which is 10%, and your new credit, which is 10% as well. So as you see, your payment history and your credit utilization, that's like 65% of your credit score. So you really want to make sure that you're paying your bills on time and that you are not using more than 10% of your utilization on your credit card. So I would think that is the most important part. Also, with this nRewards card, they do have some perks on this card where you get 1 times anything you spend on the card. Now, with this being a secured credit card, the whole purpose is that we're building to turn this from a secured credit card to an unsecured credit card. And with the nRewards card, typically about 6 months is usually when they'll graduate that from the nRewards to, I believe, the Cash Rewards credit card. Now, the Cash Rewards credit card has a 1.5 times the points on that card, and I believe your nRewards also graduates to the 1.5. So that's a good note on that. But I think the main thing is making sure that you're keeping that utilization low. So I would maybe suggest now you can put 200 or even 500 on the credit card. Now, although it has an 18% interest rate, I would say use the card like your debit card and pay the card off every month at the statement date. So the statement date is when they report to the credit bureau. So you want to make sure when they take that snapshot of your account that your utilization is either 10% or lower, so that they can see that you are good, you're being a good steward, they can trust you. And as you build a relationship with Navy Federal and as they're reporting to the credit bureau, this is helping you to build your credit profile and your credit score up so that you can open other credit cards as well. Because, you know, when we are with Navy Federal, especially if you can join, this is a credit union to where you can really turn your credit profile and how you deal with credit around, because we know that people, they'll talk about them being a member of Navy Federal and maybe they have a 500 credit score and then they're able to get like 25,000 on a credit card. But the thing about it is building a relationship with Navy Federal. Now, in the beginning, I told you guys that I had joined Navy Federal in October, and probably by November, I had opened up the Navy Federal Flagship account. But see, I was only approved for like $7,000. But see, I was not putting any money in my savings account or my checking account. I wasn't getting any money deposited in there. But by the time I had got the Navy Federal More Rewards credit card, I had a car loan with Navy Federal. My money was being deposited in my checking account. I actually have 2 savings accounts. I'm putting money regularly in those, so they're able to see me building a relationship with them. And I use my Navy Federal Flagship credit card like my debit card, and I pay the card off every month. So I'm showing them that I can be good with credit, and also that I have good standing in my other accounts. And so then when I had applied for the Navy Federal More Rewards, I got $25,000 opposed to just, $7,000. It's all about creating that good relationship and making sure your accounts are in good standings. But if you have any of the Navy Federal credit cards or even the Navy Federal nRewards, drop that in the comments and let me know, what is your relationship like with Navy Federal and with your Navy Federal nRewards? How long did it take for it to graduate to the Navy Federal Cash Rewards? So I think that this is a really card to help to build credit or repair credit, but you'll have to let us know. But I hope that you have found this helpful. Please like, subscribe, share with a friend, and turn your notification bell on so you'll be the first to be notified when new content comes out. I thank you so much for watching. Until next time.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.